In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify homepage in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to refresh your brand's online presence or make specific changes to align better with your business goals, this step-by-step guide will show you how to easily customize your Shopify homepage. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens. Simply enter your login credentials, and you'll find yourself on the Shopify dashboard. Now that you're logged in, we want to head over to the section where all the design and customization elements are located. Look for the Online Store option on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, click on Themes. This is where Shopify stores its design templates, basically the look and feel of your online store. Once you've clicked on Themes, you'll see an option labeled Customize. Click on this, and it will take you to the Shopify theme editor. Here is where you can start personalizing your homepage. You'll see your current theme layout on the left side of the screen. Shopify organizes this layout into sections. Think of these sections like building blocks that make up the pages of your website. Within each of these sections, you can add, remove, or edit blocks to suit your needs. Each block is like a puzzle piece that fits into the overall layout. Click on any block within a section to access its settings and options on the right side of the screen. This enables you to change text, images, and other content according to your brand's voice and style. Additionally, if you want to make overarching changes to your theme's appearance, such as adjusting colors, fonts, or social media links, find the Theme Settings icon. This icon is usually represented by a gear or a paint palette. Clicking here provides you with various options that let you adjust these elements to align with your desired look. Once you've made all the adjustments and you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to save your changes. There's a Save button at the top right corner of the customization page. Clicking this ensures all your hard work is applied to your live website. And that's it. You've just learned how to edit your Shopify homepage swiftly and efficiently. With these changes, your online store will be more engaging and might just capture the attention of potential customers. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check back for more tutorials that can help you elevate your e-commerce game.